In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Oracle Java JDK. The reason is we need the JDK on our computer so that way we can write Java programs, compile Java programs, and also run Java programs. Okay. You can use this link to download Java JDK, or you can actually just Google for Java JDK. So I'm going to show you both. Okay, so here you just open a browser. I'm going to open Explorer because that is the default browser on most computers. Alright, so you can just search for, you could go to Google if you prefer, and you can simply search for JDK, and there you can see that the link on the top, you can click on the link, and there you can see that we have different versions of JDK. You got JDK 21, JDK 17. We can pick the latest version. The latest version is the one that has the highest number. So JDK 21 is the latest version. Again, if you want to use the URL, if you just copy this URL and paste onto the browser, you will get the same location. So if you want to copy this and paste here, it will just take you to the same location. Right. So let's pick the latest version, JDK 21. Click on that, and now you have a list of operating systems. You have Linux, Mac OS, Windows. I'm going to install JDK for Windows. So I'm going to look for the correct version for my Windows. So click on Windows, and you can see you got 64, x64 compressed archive, x64 installer. So I will just pick one of these, either this one or that one. It doesn't matter. So I'll just pick one of these. Alright, so I click on download. As you can see, it's downloading. Now once it's done, you can either click right here to open it, or you can also find it in the download folder. So if you were to go to the Explorer, you will see that it's in the download folder. Okay, you can either run from here, or you can run directly from the browser. So in this case, I'm just going to run from the browser. And I'll just click yes. And I'll just click next. Unless you want to change the location of your OpenJDK, of your JDK or your installation, you don't need to change it. Okay, so just pick the default, just next. And here we are done. Alright, so we finished our installation. Now we want to actually verify that it works, so let's maybe we're going to go to the search button here, and you can type you're going to run the command prompt. So it's the name of the command prompt is called cmd, and you can see command prompt right here, and you can see we have Java, and you can see it says that we have Java 21.0.2. So we have successfully installed Java on this